Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulie's Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's festive episode, I'm going to show you how to make the main thing for Christmas Day. That's right, it's the turkey. I'm going to show you how to do this. It's going to be amazing and I'm going to show you in simple step-by-step instructions. So stay tuned. So guys, if this is your first time here, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. So guys, if you haven't liked and commented and subscribed, please do, because I really would appreciate it. Thank you. So guys, we're going to dive straight in, and all the ingredients that you will need for this recipe are right here. Don't worry if you missed these ingredients, I will be putting these in the info box below, so do check down there. So obviously a Christmas turkey wouldn't be a Christmas turkey without the turkey. As you can see, I've got a lovely free range turkey here. I've got all the giblets in here. You can use this to make an absolutely amazing gravy. I haven't got this in my Christmas playlist. If you would like me to show you how to make a gravy, just message me in the comments below. Paulie, I want to see you make gravy so I can make it myself. I'll do that for you. So we're just going to take the turkey off of the plate. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take these legs off. And the reason I'm taking the legs off is because you saw the recipe yesterday. But I couldn't have the turkey on day 2 and the roulade on day 1. It just wouldn't work like that. So we're just going to cut through the skin and we're just going to follow it down through the leg. And then we're going to snap out the leg. So we've broken open the legs. All we're going to do is we're going to cut straight down that line. Just like that. And we're going to pop these aside. And this is for yesterday's recipe because I made it before. But yeah, you understand. This is going to be our final presentation, although it wouldn't look very good if it's like that. So we're just going to cut straight down the back, just like that, and we're going to take that away. Now you can use this to roast as part of your gravy. So then if we turn it around, that's kind of what we're going to be presenting. Just the wings and the turkey crown. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to slide our turkey across. We're going to take our pancetta slices. So now that we've got all our pancetta, we're going to line our pancetta and we're going to make sure that the outside fat all goes the same way. And then we are going to thatch it through. So you need to pull the pancetta slices where the last crisscross went, if that makes sense. Just follow what I'm doing. And pull pancetta back over. Doesn't have to be perfect, but what it will do on the top, you'll get a lovely pancetta lattice. So let's pull back the ones with the crisscrossy bit. Is the technical term that I'm now going to go with. And we're just going to lay that straight over the top. And then we're going to push it back down. Lovely. So all we need to do now, take a little sharp knife and we're just going to trim the front up. So we're going to take some thyme and pop some thyme in there, just squeeze it in. We're going to take an orange or a Satsuma, a very Christmassy thing, Satsumas, and we're going to pop that in there as well like that. Squeeze them in. Yeah, lovely. So the thing we're going to do is we're going to take our garlic, smash that open just like that. And we're going to just take some garlic cloves and just cram it all in as well. Lovely. That doesn't want to stay in. We'll take that one out. So yeah guys, that's a Paulie's Kitchen turkey crown. We're going to roast this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes per kilo. So we need to take our scales that I nearly threw across the kitchen. We're going to take our baking tray, press on. That's 0, so let's pop that in there. And that says 1.89 kilos. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop this in the oven. Gas mark 6, 180 degrees for about not 2 hours, about for an hour. What we'll do is we'll temperature probe it because we don't want to overcook it because it will dry out so fast. So what we're going to do is we're going to just take this out quickly. Just an orange. So we're going to take our oil. And we're just going to drizzle a little bit in there and that will stop it from sticking. Lovely. And take some foil. So we're just going to wrap our turkey up in foil. I'm going to pop this in the oven for about an hour. See you in about an hour. So yeah guys, That's how you make a turkey crown for Christmas. It looks absolutely incredible and I can't wait to eat this. So guys, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release the next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime guys, I hope you have an absolutely wonderful Christmas day and that your food's absolutely special and Santa brings you everything that you want and deserve and more. But in the meantime guys, happy Christmas and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. So just before I carry on, note to the chef Ian, who I work with, I'm not cutting it for saute, so no judgment please. Roast this and then he said baked. So yeah guys, oh wow, why could I not say this sentence?